Hi everyone, this is Shashi. You're watching my channel, so called Shashi's Guidance. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to talk about same determiner class, but actually this determiner class is a very essential for every student. That means it takes a very important role. It is also very questionable. It is used for specific noun, means uses of that. It is a very useful for everybody, and so that's why. And if you know how to use the before a specific noun, then if you know that, then I hope so, and you are going to improve your English step by step, and eventually, and you're supposed to know how to use the article the before noun. Now we should do it very well, and on the board let's focus. Other determiner uses of article the. That is the definite article. He saw a boy. I know mamang does the mic and Nupamasama we have any. Nupamasazi Masakang Ekari Kang, the boy looks very smart. She Nupamasazi, Ahambada, a boy Tamimatanga, the boy Tamakaneva. Madame de Matang Irakumatandi, the boy Mana, I show a boy and Nupamasama we do Nupamasado Mamasakanga, Kanga Matunda, the boy looks very smart. I'm smarter than we have any. So my tone of determine is changed. I saw the boy Hamatan and among the high Nupamasa Adu in Aduna as a Himasakangi boy Gadava. I have the indefinite article have the egg city Kadawakona Madi Akaknaba late the Sarapam any at a high noun I have the Konamasai. Adubodong the Tony Nathan the uses of Daziam line of when the Tamdoini, Kozim Mamang, when sing part to Rena doing among the coin that Tamika have Adusudum and then Adu Karahins and the Nikon who's in another city. Adu number one and only one part of our body. Akoy Haksangi part names of the bodies get away Kona. Akoy Haksangi Ladiva, the part Mayamzi get away Kona bodies, Mokozing among the Kona determiner Tanga get away Kona. That is very usable. This is Nabaya Madukano, the head, the neck, the backbone, the nose, etc. Adu the Kona Haksangi part Mayam the Koinu can be that son. Kanga the AC Tamtara Kangrani. A rule have a cation at the example the head tang PV, Simatang Pyramus, Parabody, the Quisans Hagas doing. A Hoyaksang liver passing stomach, liver, heart, and before that we have to use the with that is no measure sense notion doing it. Other day, let's make a sentence. Sentence I'm same as he is on the head. Quote the Thompson level. The head. So my thought later, the Samson the name of the parts, I think as I body parts, singing maming the Ningsang Biragadum lawyer, other than that, idea sense like next is number 2, and one and only one in our home. Yum the Tamagla port, Karikarino, ID wall, ID window, kitchen, the courtyard, Yam like that, and the drawing room, the dining room, the dining table, like that. So my thought next is in the number 3, one and only one in our classroom. Classroom of the curriculum have the blackboard, the duster, the monitor, the wisest student. Like that, and room of the curriculum have the season and grabbing after that when so Mohana Tankotawani, Kashiam Lu with the next matang the Muyangasi. Okay, next matang the number the 4 day. For the one and only one in our school. The school they go to the headmaster, to the principal, the head of department. Can when school of the curriculum have them Sagapiro Mayamna. I his pizza they gave them Isanadum Tenabira Bangatani, Dunatum Lire. And similarly, next is in the number 5, one and only one in our playground, and the playground is the Katabakona curriculum. On the playground, the calculate the goal post, the match point, man of the mates, etc. So my thought of thumb missing J. Madam Zikarigino, Hamatanda, Masi playground on the Obegidamatani, then they're playing the mask as the Makoy Hanedo, Mamma Konada, Tamagadum Makoina, that Hamisikarigino, Habadan Rudragazu, Masi de Kange Karigida Tamino. To the headmaster Karigida Tamamino, Habidokoi Madam Kange. sumai ta no kone maram thi do pani grammar hai bisi di masana language ta dum lejeram ma banga tani akone naina salaga grammar om da pusala ga e sidi adu maram gi thamini adu gi thamini ha bi naina salma khatani grammar hai bisi di next is number 6 the one and only one in a university amada kai de bai kona the vice chancellor the head office the library adu kari kari ma khata ba lai ri tum ning sang bi rani vice chancellor ani shu de the head office is ani shu ya de ani shu ba ya da specific oi ba ha bi do definite oi ba ha bi do kamai to oi thina do koi sama yeng one and only one amam tamang in our city ekoi city the kari kai leba the district magistrate ani shu ba ya de the police commissioner ani shu ba the MLA si matang ya ma ge mamang de khoi na a ge n ge sin ba tam tam da MLA hai ta di pa ma tam ka de ka ne n tham ga ne ha ba ne maram di bawen sound da pa ba gi da ma ta adubu sidadi kari hare ba rule the one and only one have se ama khatang mai kai de in our city de lai de ama tang sidadi akak na ba MLA ne ba si ai gi le jeri ba city du gi MLA ne ai gi constituency du gi ka de ba kan MLA ba tara ga de ko ne ma du da thama ka shu kai de ba adugo whole manipur gi ka de ba ko ne marak tu de gi amani ha ba mention tau ga ha tara ga de ka de ba ko na e tham ga ne ma su gu ma ko ne khang bi ni next is number 8 the one and only one in our state the state ka kari kai le one and only one ha ba na min ta wi ro ma yam na amam tamang oi na do the chief minister ani shu de do the governor the capital of state to the assembly hall the sumai tau da ko makhal me am se ko ne sagalani mathang da ko ni yang je ngo number 9 de mo one and only one in a court kari kari amam tamang lai be kari kari the high court the supreme court the judge khange ko ne sima next is atop lai be jing je ko aina sir rule do etc hai tara ga de ko ne kari kari sagat sage jage hai be ji de aina yam ka ne explanation tau dra ga ju isa isa dum khang din si and then once in the life the punsi da amo muktam thopa da kari kai da the date of birth and the date of death and the first marriage anniversary suguma mayam da and the number 11 the one and only one in an office amada ka da ko na taw da bada the director the date of salary the head clerk the peon like that sumayam lai gra si khang bi rani next number 12 the one and only one in a country leiba amada amam tamak lai ba kari no the prime minister ani sude the president and the home minister the union minister and like that my like right next number 13 the one and only one buildings and a monument see the mayam tam gra ko mayam tam gra ngang ori ngai da kari kari aba the buildings and the monuments sing mamang na ko na da thangone ha do the Taj Mahal the Red Fort the Great Wall of China adu de ko na mathang da mu ye se ngo number 14 the one and only one rivers in the oceans ko thang na the Ganga the Brahmaputra the Indian Oceans Indian Ocean the Atlantic Ocean adu mayam ko sagat pirani next number 15 the one and only one in the world pithib the amount tamuk lai bi kari kari posak no the World Bank the UN the White House ka haiba the World Trade Center ka haiba sugum basing je oirani next is number 16 the one and only one in the universe the university ko na lai riba amam tamuk lai bi ka the sun khangjare the moon the Jupiter the Mars mayam lai gra next is number 17 the one and only one direction caste religion masida the north the south the west igani the Hindu the Muslim the Brahmin sumayam like next is the one and only one historical events number 18 sida adudi kai no historical events history the thogi ba thodok sing je ko ne ningsing birani adui mamang da thamni haibetoni rules sing je khangbi ba khatani ka shulu banate adu ko ne saga the Independence Day the World War the Battle of Panipat and the Republic Day kan sumai to ne ko ne history gi matu na the French Revolution gan ko ne thengnari se da thammi maram do ka de ko ne historical events oi ba gi ne have khangbi gani next is one and only one the ordinal number gi magi ibigi series gi mong the first boy the last girl the next episode and sumai taw da ko ne ka iriba gi mong si da ko na the season of ko ne sibo khange next mathang da ko ne mo yeng mina se ko ne yo number 20 de ka da ko na one and only one famous books ma the bible gi ma khange ko na the Gita the Quran etc ko sumai khange next number 21 one and only one transportation da kada bai ko ne season kani adu matam kada bai ko na the Rajdhani Express the Titanic ko thengna ga the British Airways mayam lai kre mayam do ko ning jang bitar next is one and only one the musical instrument sidi parikha da hangra bani bosem da Other method the piano, the flute, the tabla. So my the musical instrument the saxophone and guitar at lady but my Next is in the number 23 one and only one before superlative degree. Superlative degree 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 positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree degree tall, taller, tallest. Tallest brave, braver, bravest. Bravest high, higher, highest. Highest adun superlative degree ki sarukta leirami bijing ni mamang da kona article habise matam punamuk da season ani adun na kona yam toina thengnaba sentence da honesty is the best policy gan thamido the best and thamami di manam du kada kona best is superlative degree oibegine ba likewise adumai tawna kada kona that is used before other superlative degrees also aduna tongan ba superlative degree mamang da kona da si season ga na ba jakoi khangani Adu di example da boy ni tallest boy, highest the highest peak, the longest river. Next is one and only one before the name of person or place. Si hamatana masiji am hangre bota, and masing hangre hangramni. Manipur is known as the Switzerland of India. Masimatang habi one and only one before the name of person or place. Mi maming amadi lam maming mamang de kona determiner thamba yadi haina tambane ba koin tamja badudi I did the tomba I did the delhi kan thamba yadi haina tang si matang jai explanation pajan taw jake adubu kariguma matam na masi hariba proper noun ji ke do koina the thamba yare eba karam matam da haidi masi koina common noun ni use tar aba matam da lone na se adom da khanga siyai or another amade ke do koina akona famous over me and easy my famous over level si wang taragadi and he and more famous or even me dugi mamang to the nekona da tangadrise or more famous or even lam dugi mamang to the nekona da tangadrise other de koying as come mind have the Manipur is known as the Switzerland of India too other the Manipur say neva Switzerland of India Tengnagram say koina si grammar ne ba kashuna te ba hana koina da happy to kari no khangam da baiwani hujina da happy se manipur jiga makoi ani ji ani gi marak leri bidu aidi manipur masak tala ine ba aduna Switzerland ji manipur masak tak pa da season re ini adu duna ka da bai koina masi mamang ne koina da thangane habi jing sang bi ga da bani masi am hangra ba question ni bota Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India si su Kalidas ka Shakespeare ga habi ji Kalidas masak ta na ho the Shakespeare season ini Shakespeare na more famous obi heli aduna da thamme koi khange adu de koina manipur gi amadum lokwasi Abenau is the Kajol of Manipur Abenau ji kada koina Manipur gi Kajol hata ga de Abenau masak ta pada Kajol aiba more famous obi ji kada koina utleba sumain ta udana koina ID determiner da jigi season abam si tongan momong de le have je koina sibo koina tamme aduga sibabu khang taraga de kada koina I hope and you will improve your knowledge eventually about how to use determiner da zikar mai to sinaga have je kada koina khanga ne khale after all then please subscribe my channel and share this channel to all the students of Manipur. Thank you very much for your cooperation.